Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Google Play Store from your phone. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So normally, swipe up to find the Google Play Store. So you will get the app here. Normally, long press on it until you get an option, App Info. Choose it. And then here you will get an option disable. Just choose it and choose again disable app. Actually, Google Play Store is a built-in app provided by Google, so you can't remove it properly until your phone is fully rooted. So it's a restriction, and to solve it, normally you can disable it. And if you disable it, then you can't find it again until you enable it from the settings. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to disable or uninstall Google Play Store from your Android phone. I have another video on the topic how you can enable Google Play Store. You can check that out if you want to re-enable it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.